Welcome to UCS Logistics, your premier partner in IT asset management. We're excited to share with you our comprehensive services designed to optimize your IT operations and deliver the best experience for your organization. Let's get started. At UCS Logistics, our mission is to help you manage your IT inventory effectively. We achieve this by managing your IT assets and to always meeting your expectations by integrating seamlessly into your process and culture, covering everything from laptops and desktops to printers, monitors, and more. We cater to various industries, ensuring a tailor-made solution for your unique needs. What we do best is manage your end-user devices, computers, tablets, phones, and peripherals. But we also work on industry-specific devices like airport kiosks, ATM, point-of-sales devices, and just about anything in technology. We do this for the financial industry, pharma, government, utilities, automotive, and well, just name it, we have seen and managed it. UCS Logistics differentiation is our focus in the market to IT asset management. Plus, not only do we work with your existing and new inventory, but we also repair and refurbish as needed anything you have. We are certified by over 550 OEM like Dell, HP, Lenovo, and yes, Apple too, and we also dispose or remarket anything in your inventory. As we integrate with your systems, we respond to your tickets and requests by pulling your inventory, updating any firmware, applying your image, bundling all the kit and special instructions for that special out-of-the-box experience that your users want and expect. Location. Our UCS Logistics 500,000 square foot facility is located in Columbus, Ohio, near 2 international airports, 3 railroad terminals, and FedEx, UPS, and several trucking hubs. Thus, we can reach 90% of North America within one day. So I'm sure we can ship to your user or location too. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our satisfied clients have to say about their experience with UCS Logistics. Belinda is the Director of End User Assets for an insurance company. She says, UCS Logistics, thank you. Now I know where all my computers are and no more user escalations. Jack is in charge of procurement for a sports clothing and shoe manufacturer and retail store worldwide. He said, UCS Logistics has revolutionized our IT asset management process, saving us time, money, and resources. And Sanjaya is in charge of asset management for a U.S. bank and all of their branches in the U.S. He said, the team at UCS Logistics is professional, responsive, and truly committed to our success. Well, are you ready to experience the UCS Logistics difference for yourself? Book a tour of our facility. Contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can help you optimize your IT asset management strategy. Thank you for joining us as we introduced UCS Logistics and our commitment to excellence in IT asset management. We look forward to partnering with you and helping you achieve your goals. Until next time.